What's up, guys? Vroom! Welcome to Revline 89. So today we are working on a couple things on the Mustang. Number one right now is we are taking this fuel door and we are making it some good old carbon fiber style decal on here. So we're going to trace this out. Now our car is not red. I picked this up off of eBay for very cheap, made an offer, they accepted it. So we'll probably spray paint this back end black, sand it down, scrub it down, spray black, and install this. So we have one now that's locking, and it's starting to get pretty annoying. And it's got chrome rivets in it that I don't want anymore. And instead of taking that one off and doing it up, sanding it and messing with it, I'm just gonna put this one on for a more sleeker look, and I'll have the other one in case I don't like this style. So if I would have done this to the other one and didn't like it, I would have had to rip it off, then mess around with it, and this just makes it easier. It gives me something I can try and see if I like it, and if I don't, then I can simply put the other one back on. So I'm going to trace it and install it. So my circle is not perfect. I'm going to try and cut this as good as I can. So I made it a little bigger than the actual lid, that way we can heat it and wrap it around. So that is what we are going to do. But yeah, this is how it looks. You know, it's pretty nice. It's a nice one. Got it for a good deal though. So make offers. You know, I got it on eBay. You probably could go to your junkyard and get one, but it worked out good on eBay. So give a good offer. So I wasn't anticipating this fuel lid, so the top is kind of being a bugger, so we're going to heat it up and see if we can mold it with our heat gun to how we want it. Alright, so to show you guys how I do this, it's very simple. Alright, so hopefully you guys can see. What you want to do is heat around, going around, so you always want to cut that it's bigger. Up here we got a little skimpy, and like up in areas like this, what you would do is you heat up that area, start in the center and kind of go around, but up in the area that you need to mold it, you heat it up a little more, and then you push all the air out to the side like so. That way it's all out. Just kind of mold it around your finger. And now for up in here, to go around the sides, you go ahead and take your heat gun. If you guys can see, take your heat gun and go around it. Get it nice and heated up around the side, and then you just simply take it and keep bending. Fold it over underneath it. So you're folding it underneath, and you go around, because once it's heated up, it can mold easier and bend easier. Now I'm a little disappointed we didn't have enough overhang here, so we got to heat that up even more. Get it heated up really well so it's going to stick. So let's just bend that the best that we can. And apply a lot of pressure as you're going around, and take your finger over the lip. So over the lip and press, apply pressure. We're going to go ahead and heat it up more. You'll kind of see it bend and curl a little bit, and that's when you know it's hot enough. And you just keep going around and around until you get to your final destination. So as you can see, I'm rolling my fingers over the circle like so. Once you get to your final destination and you got that like nice little triangle up here, that's where you're really going to want to heat this up more so you don't get a bad bend. So I'm going to pull this piece a little bit back out, and we're going to heat this up more. Now we should be able to bend it nice and tuck it in there. Oh, perfect. Oh, this turned out so good, my friends. I'll show you once we're done here. tuck that underneath, and that's how it's going to look underneath. Now what you can do is you could put reinforcement over here, so you could heat this up and then really apply pressure. So let's see, we would have it down like this, and what we do is we take the heat gun, go around the whole circle underneath, and then press down as hard as we can. That way it's sticking really good. So we heat that up and do that. Check this out. So it might not be 100% perfect, but it's pretty nice. So if you see like up in there a little imperfection, what we'll do is we'll heat up that round edge and then round it off even more. So like right there, it's hard to see, you know, from far back. It looks perfect. It looks really good. Look at that, so beautiful. Alright, let's go ahead and round the edges a little more, make it more smooth, and we are done. Alright, so now what I also did was, where you saw that I didn't have much of an overhang, I went and added another piece on top of it, and then I heated that piece in with it so it stays, because if you don't have too much of an overhang and you can't wrap it underneath or wrap it somewhere else, eventually it will peel up. So, but yeah, looks amazing, like truly awesome. What's up, guys? So we're out here at the Mustang, the fuel door. This is the door we have on now, which I like it. It locks and everything, but I want to see how a sleeker look will look. I don't know how the carbon fiber is going to look. It looks pretty nice out in the daylight, but I don't know how it's going to blend. I thought about doing a gloss black to match the car. I don't know, what do you guys think? It kind of stands out a little bit, so maybe we'll do a gloss black cover. I don't know, you guys are gonna have to let me know what you think. How does that match up? Or should we just keep the one that's on now? So you can see the difference here from far back, from up close. What do you think? Should we keep this one on? How does it look? I mean, I like it. I like the look. I just kind of want it all black or carbon fiber to match the car better. But carbon fiber looks really nice. I don't know how, maybe in the sunlight it'll look even better. I'm not quite sure. We'll see. But I definitely want your opinion on what you guys think, that versus this. Should we just take this off and go high gloss black wrap to match the car so it's straight, flush, smooth like everything else is? The only chrome we have, or the only even metal we have, is the metal around there, the chrome wheels, metal right in there for the lock, and that's it. So everything else blends really good. So I don't know, we'll see. But let me know what your opinion is. Should we do a gloss black, straight flush gloss black? Should we keep this one, or should we put the carbon fiber one on?